What is European Day of Languages? European Day of Languages is held every year on the 26th of September to celebrate the different languages spoken in Europe. On this day there are events and celebrations taking place across many countries in Europe. Activities include fairs, conferences, school events, workshops and language taster sessions. The first European Day of Languages was held in 2001. Europe is a continent with many countries, and almost every country has its own language. This is called national language. Some countries have more than one national language. Did you know that there are over 200 European languages? Russian is the most widely spoken language in the continent of Europe, as there is about 140 million speakers of Russian. Why is it important to learn a language? Being able to speak different languages can help you to understand different cultures, travel and study abroad, live and work in different countries, and even make new friends. The European Union, which brings together the countries of Europe, has 24 official languages, but the most commonly spoken are French and English. So, how are you celebrating European Day of Languages this year? Let us know in the comments below.